In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, customize, and link text on Wix Editor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place text on your page, style it so it matches your brand, and add links that guide visitors to the right places. Start by opening your site in the Wix Editor. This is your workspace for building and polishing your pages. You'll see the canvas in the center and your tools along the left and top. We'll use these to add and customize your text. To place new text, click the plus icon labeled Add, then choose Text. Pick the text type that fits your content, a heading for titles and section headers, a paragraph for body content and descriptions, or a title for standout lines you want to emphasize. These presets help keep your site's typography consistent. Drag the text element onto your page and position it where you want. As you move it, alignment guides will appear to help you snap it into place and keep everything neat and balanced. You can always resize the box by dragging its handles if you need more room. Click the text box and start typing, or paste content you've prepared. If you're pasting from another program and want to keep your site's styles, use paste without formatting so the font and size follow your theme. Keep sentences concise and scannable to improve readability. To format your text, highlight the portion you want to style. You can change the font, adjust the size, pick a color, and set alignment. Fine-tune spacing by adjusting line height and letter spacing so longer paragraphs are comfortable to read. Styles like bold or italic can add emphasis, but use them sparingly to maintain a clean look. Choose colors with sufficient contrast so your text stays accessible and easy on the eyes. To add a link, highlight the text you want to make clickable and click Link. Choose where it should go, a URL for an external website, a page on your site, an email address to open a mail app, or a document for downloads. For external websites, consider opening the link in a new tab so visitors can easily return to your site. For deeper customization, open text settings or the inspector. Here you can add subtle animation, like a fade-in, to draw attention without distracting from the content. You can also set hover effects to change appearance when someone hovers over linked text. Finally, adjust responsiveness so your text scales well across devices, preserving readability on phones, tablets, and desktops. That's it. Add, edit, customize, and link text with confidence in Wix Editor.